Aswen Ighodaro and Godwin Obaseki. So Aswen Ighodaro, I hear that you are coming to Houston, Texas. I'm going to be at the event, okay? The only purpose I'm going to be at the event is to ask you one simple question, okay?
Underline the question.
That question is, you are a chairman of this, you are a board of director of this, you are a banker, you are a lawyer. With all these your professions, what impact have you made in Edo State that gave you the mind or the ginger to say, you know what, I want to lead Edo people? What qualifies you to be a governor? What?
My people, I greet you now. Really soon I listen to what Dion Osagie talk. He say, first of all,
hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another matter come again. Now who we wan watch today, my people? As we all can see, say we wan watch Umenwan TV, aka Baba when they smile. My people, not be small matter Umenwan carry come for this video. Make we relax and listen to this very video. He talk about Dion Osagie Enogie and Epa Edimofi. My amazing people, relax and listen. Also, please like and share this video. Drop down your amazing subscriber for me. God
but
bless
as a
you.
Benin man
Please,
that love the country, that love that state,
God bless
when
you.
the man say he want rule the country, we get right to ask them question. Make him tell us what he want deliver to us. And that was a very nice one. Which Dion Osagie so make us when he want ask us some questions. Now, first of all, my people, this man, Aswen Ighodaro, they go tall rounds. Now, Dion, they attack him. Oh yeah, but we listen to Dion again.
What impact have you made with all your qualifications?
Aswen Ighodaro, chairman of board of trustee, chairman of this one, chairman of this one, then this one, then this one. Which impact has he made? Very good question. Oh, very good question. Thank God that said that you they use your man and measure this kind of great position where the same person don't already occupy for naija before he decides say want to become governor for Edo State. That's to let you know, say this is not a poor man. This man is not a farmer. You understand? This man has read. In brain carry something. You understand? He gets brain, he gets sense. I know the campaign for Namo. When they talk about humanity now, when they talk, if now the same person like me, the way you fit criticize me and the way you fit praise me. If you put me for ground, put what's it called the demon for ground, then and they come out and say I want to become governor for Edo State. And the Murphy they come and say I want to become governor for Edo State. People must talk one or two things about me and the Murphy. You understand? The level of our education, they will bring them to my road. We will submit our certificates. Then our stupidity, they will still bring them to the iron. Where we come from, we go iron. Our family background will be iron. You understand? Okay, the one we qualify to become governor, they go no. Benin people go no. Now what we want to do, I will come and say, see what I want to do for it. See my budget. See my plan towards the Edos. You understand? See what I want to deliver. During my 1 year or my 2 years or my 4 years of ruling. You understand? See my goal, my target. He go still come out. At least I believe that the month go still come out because see what the target during 1 year or 2 years of ruling in Edo State. See in target. Now so politics the work. You know if you give us deaf and dumb to come rule us as they do. You know if you don't give us Agbe. We are sick and tired of Agbe government in Edo State. For God say they say Obazee cannot work. The one we often know say you know they exist for Edo State again Agbe. That one I know very give people rest of mind. Upon all this hardship, Agbe will not they will be happy. Then plus this hardship, you can still give us Agbe Ojona ticket, can still jump up for tickets. You want to frustrate people with that one. When I listen to our brother with the Canada. Yeah.
Before being a governor, that's my only question. So I'll be at your event. And the organizer of the event, please note, I will be at the event and I must ask that question. And if Aswen is not able to give me a concrete answer, there's going to be a massive problem. Houston, there's going to be a problem in Houston.
Me I check back. I know we'll talk good.
Aswen Igodaro and Godwin Obaseki. So Aswen Igodaro, I hear that you are coming to Houston, Texas. I'm going to be at the event, okay? The only purpose I'm going to be at the event is to ask you one simple question, okay? And that question is, you are a chairman of this, you are a board of director of this, you are a banker, you are a lawyer. With all these your professions, what impact have you made in Edo State that gave you the mind or the ginger to say, you know what, I want to lead Edo people? What
now, Mr. Dion Osagie, this is the reason why your name come to my platform this evening. What impact has Aswen Igodaro made in Edo State that give him that mind that he want to be the governor of Edo State? A very good question. Very good question. I love such question, and I need some bold youth like this to speak, to comfort these people who claim to be a governor in our states. Mr. Dion Osagie, I greet you, my brother. What of us of work? We are doing. We giving Aswen Igodaro Edo. Wukbon of Bunodi no ye. You now when I was whistling now. Now be wanted to talk and about the listen with English. Whistling no we like I win now. Wo in Nigeria imagine near Tawe Dokba. O in Nigeria is 0 years son. No we ye. They know who Nedora, they know they will test son. No, ni na ni God never ye here no lap na yoba. They are saying Edo ne we ma. O tano one and get burning. No keke no motor ra omna koko wa no nale arioba na e. Uf yon gbe yi my brother. So ko pa no. Owe. Eyin ma gbe wo wa. Eyo e. Eyin ma gbe wo wa. Eyo e. O wa mama akporo gbugbo. You understand? Don't worry about monkey. Any more here in the Baba, I greet you, bros. I know say I know you, but I want just to respect you for this video. They ask you this question. I want me to give you respond. Dion Osagie, you be media director of APC under the candidate of Senator Mode Okpeworo and dagolden in Idahosa. And they don't give you money when they campaign for them. Baba, you know the story. Bros, have you also asked this same question to your candidates that you are bringing, you are imposing on Edo people? Or, Mr. Dion Osagie, I have not seen your candidate on a media campaign, media interview. I have not seen your candidate on a media interview. Are you giving us Mode Okpeworo as a photo where Oshomole is the ruler of the APC governor candidate? Because what you guys are doing, now only Oshomole now we don't see. I can play Oshomole video right now as we speak here, where Oshomole went for interview, but we never see Okpeworo for interview for radio station. Now we never see Okpeworo. The things where Okpeworo don't do for Asian land, apart from one borehole where he say he buy his sister, it's not bad water, and they also use on the campaign for that. Okpeworo say na bad water, na he buy his sister. Because of that, he come pray, say God bless her. God bless her, he get money. He go the fix borehole. So God can't really bless her. He come get money. Now he come the fix borehole for community with the work where they do. As the community people come see say, in they use the money, they put borehole for the community. Now they come say may come out for senator. Now he enter politics. You understand? So my brother, I don't understand how Falconizer one can become governor for Edo State under your own campaign. Dion Osagie, why are you a greedy man? Why you be like this? Why you just derive joy eating from people's sweat? Why you not stand as a man, as vibrant youth where you be? May you stand, man. We say you don't fear nada. They talk and the way the thing be. You understand? Me, I get opportunity to talk to Okpeworo. Yeah, I go ask her this question when you ask. So say you want to ask us so now you go fair ask, but I'll make sure say you get camera. I go make sure say he did camera, nothing hidden. If they sincere, they should be able to come out and answer any media house. You understand? If Okpeworo go fit grant interview, then I can interview him for my platform. Make he come talk. Why Okpeworo run for the Nomigo platform? Before you see value who value you when Enogie bring comment. Enogie invite Okpebolo to his platform several times. Okpebolo refused Enogie invite to his platform to come speak because Enogie was wanted to ask Okpebolo some vital question, which Edo youth as a whole go want listen to, just the way we all sit down and listen to Enogie the interview as when Godalo. Oga Dion Osagie, why tell Edo people why you not sit Okpebolo down on your platform? On your platform, you get big platform too. We dey watch your brokers. You dey do your giveaway today. We dey watch you. Why you not sit Okpebolo down? Make you interview him. If you want help him, write time for him. Make you go memorize him. As cramming for head. As the debate wey we dey do for school that year. Good morning, moderator. Accurate timekeeper. Call the better. You understand? Make you just write time for him. Make go read down. At least for like 1 month. Make you come talk for social media. Make we hear say, okay, see what you get for Edo people. Even though English not good, may you use pidgin English the way they use it, so we go understand. English don't help us, bros. You understand? Make you tell the Benins, see what he want to, see what he don't do when he rule as a senator for Eshalan. See the road where he don't tie. Make it show us. You dey come now say you want ask your opponent question. You want ask your opponent's question. Your own governor where you dey bring the come, your candidate where they bring the come, never fit talk well for any media house. Oga na so na want to rule Edo State. And they ask you, Oga, na so na want to rule Edo State? Otaniwa mugweni lawo help man show a video, upload a video, no wana interview Okpebolo no man do have a yedo we here wu ni yedo gemi ni e kai wu yedo ni e ke rule as a senator gemi ni e wu tesan see wetin you do for some people. Baba, show the video for us. Help us show the video. Na beg we dey. This video not be for insult. Now beg. Now day. You understand now? Now wo. We must show give my dad we giving Okpebolo una not qualified to become a governor in Edo State. You understand? Because you know if you just they come out you want to call the form attack. Say because of the America. Baba, we where they watch from the for the whole corner of the whole world. And those home and abroad, we know who good and who bad. We know who qualify and who not qualify. Even with the language, with the body language alone, with this physical fitness alone, we know who qualify. We know who's supposed to be gate man, who want to become governor. Baba, we know them. We understand. We are sick and tired of godfatherism. Oshomole say no to godfatherism. Now they win Edo State. During the region of Osumo, we kick Osumo out. But Oshomole now is not the governor of APC. Oshomole come and they call it defense una. They defend even they defend what's it called? Philip Shaibu. But there's a plan. Philip Shaibu is ruling under PDP. They decamp inside his ruling still under PDP. They decamp the entire PC. If they go to pay homage to Shomole, una they do everything we are doing. Kona, wuru. Wa miemi not your ho. Wa ti ororo. Oga PDP. They grab person. They person grab person land for Benin now. They oppress person for Benin. Yo, APC on your right topic or one of I campaign uwa. On your right campaign uwa. Una for not talk anything again. Now that one would campaign. When one thing happens, secretary say now phone. Now una use of phone do campaign for so many months. Phone. Una dey like congratulations to APC. Una don't get anything to take campaign. So that is nothing where una candidate where they bring come don't do to take campaign. You not get anything when you do anything good. Una go fit dey tell the world even on one or two things. Una apart from borehole. So for the past many years, when become senator, now so water they drink for their community. Now only water you focus on water projects, borrow budgets. Wahala for APC. Wahala. Share this video, may reach where my brother did. Dion Osagie Osagie. Wa share video na ge. No se Enogie. Amaka mo ya wo to ya wo owo ti yin do lo yi. Iyen what time you go na dey no na you. We na very high. Yes. No te matter. Emi poyo iko e matter na e pa kan we know the story. E Morocco na we sin na gbesu Morocco America e ma o ya re ogbere. E Morocco America ogbere. Yeah, it's a Morocco America do how you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You don't do that shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yo man, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You don't do that shit. You come to America, you know what I'm saying? We'll come to Boston, you know, when you come to Boston, we're gonna boss your man. America is broke. You know the next of our belief for the get sex. Well, that's the Canada. Onion, Larry, and the Canada. Well, why is the Canada money? It's no damn of the Canada. Or block him and they will bring him in Canada. I'm a YouTuber. How can you imagine your own Okpeworo? You never come out one day come tell us say, see what Okpeworo don't do. You they come and say you want to come challenge us one. Hello. I greet you, Baba. What? Exactly.
Ola Coco, only almost how many months? Yeah, see one the community where or near.
Yes.
Land grabber. Oh nana. Mama
Oh, God bless you.
Even though I saw you do after I am in on your mouth.
Yes.
So, Gia week here. Eoma, Eyao, Gia see the Wia Ladia, Mini answer the Ladiana. Where you when you governor, who may be part of your bar. Now, nice to know dinner. Where will you governor here? Will you governor? Are you well here? When our mama are you well? When you governor, the name be a pallid out here, a pallid jolly, or of your commodore, are you here? As for that, my event we are now in that song.
Exactly.
We know what you go, we know what bad. You understand?
Yeah.
Really, we know what you go, we know what bad. It told because to God am I, to read a region of Kanye before.
Takabo, we believe for no move again.
Yes. Here you move again, but development as well. Pero perspective here, demand. I believe there's a lot of things that we still make a change for. Or we do a Panama for. My understanding,
What up?
My brother, Oda, my
Yes, sir.
I honestly, my
Thank you. Thank you. See, you know one thing? I know they campaign for any politicians. No, you go Meruwe, PDP, APC, no, you go Meruwe. It is a nasty life you know. Any of them that pay me campaign, and I'm going to declare yes, I campaign for some person like this. Now, I'm talking. Any happy day platform, so you platform, you don't anybody because you know, that's the reason why I will always use my platform to enlighten Edo people. May we use our eye because now the two parties for Edo State now we will know say now they all they win now APC and PDP. Let we will not deceive ourselves. The two parties, this one not good, this one not good, this one not go up. After now one will come loss. But inside those two, so we need to use our brain. No, look where say at least this one will suit us. This one regime go suit us. Because Obaseki where they rule is from APC. Don't be fool. Don't forget. Obaseki where they rule us when I say not good now. It is what? From APC. That when he not dance to their tune of their God, for that reason, for second tenure, they chased him out. He ran to PDP. And a dog will say no to oppression. Don't forget. Like those say no to oppression. That is the outcome of 4+4 talk about. The outcome of 4+4 talk about is because of the oppression that was shown they wanted to use for Obaseki. Now provoke a do and won't buy a do home. When no somole, what Obaseki they were on one or mass or where. Now I'm boy a person. I knew your boy a person who down my way we know. Una no do good enough by it, and yet you give him. Una wadi ma mi waka ha me do le go ma wo wi do ha me na ma e wo ne mani wo ma ko le ni e go gbe na ne baba ya relax ya hu ebie we ya gbe for we hu ebie. That was the outcome of 4+4 Ogba. Now other the PDP no we dey na o sewo la yele mu e dey o sewo le wi yen ni obo ye gbegbere hu e dey na ai o sewo lo yele mu no dey na ye fro wa fi do na e boss o sewo le e ya. If you know you allow Yaru automatically, they call. They will resurrect. For how long are we going to continue going backward and backward? If you not for them do, I will be in Malaysia. Because Binani and Nana, it talks in Binani and Nana. Not yet school way, a ticket at Gagari Growth, a ticket at the Robber Market, a ticket on Winia. Eh, but where the remote? He can't billion. He will ticket no one going away. No, ye barrier bigo, let those petty everywhere. He's a chair, close my chair. He's a chair, do my chair. Turn over a chair. He's a chair here. He's a chair there. Turn my chair. He's a chair here. He's a chair there. A chair, my Emma Gaboba. A chair, or my Yaga, I give Zebu, I give you back. Eh, no. A chair had the DSS lady. Illiterate will be moving with squad with illos of police. Why graduates going to use their courage to shout, is a chair here, is a chair. That's a dose state for you. A dose state is a state where you see an illiterate will be riding on pillows. Guards protected by Nigeria police. While the illiterate who are supposed to be working in office will be the slave to an illiterate. Because of Baba. You belong to this society, you do not belong to this society. The truth is bitter, we have to say it out. For how long are we going to continue living like that? If not so that they live for this abroad, what would they do? This country will not be better like this. This country will not be better like this. You go see our youth who have gone far to the civilized country, we think they will bring good memories to the others and those who never travel far, but they will still be like those same old fools. The youth of Edo State are worse than the youth of our ancestors. I'm telling you, when they say this will not good, this will not good, let's make Dion Osagie governor of Edo State. Our money will finish as a man every other day as a man. Oh, you what the man? Understand? Why they Dion Osagie Enogie to social media? When I have Wakara, you are campaigning for Okbewu. When I am Okbewu, don't hear Tota. No, not or tell me, no, when I will have the way governor of the state now. They will work for the years we can rule. You understand? Hello? Hello? I greet you. God bless you. Kakabo?
Yeah, so Beggar will so and what is stated a word in my back where I back you'll bring the Dion Osagie this thing down, you wanna. I can this sensible person by his age being here said now. Umara way to be run by a more okay. They are after everything. Nana. Why ya said where they can do all those kind of things.
Yeah.
But why no normal to a good answer? If you are here, anyone, if you come back or cannot pass here with his arrogancy or kind of pass here because understanding and every time I come in when you look Dion Osagie Enogie or already orphanage this young lady. He was talking to them anyhow.
Yeah,
talking all sorts of nonsense.
Yeah.
But a man blame about what when they are real one, but a man boom berry no sunu, a man boom berry kinematari, and Dion Osagie, right from time, he's not fighting for any Edo people. All those things he's doing, no man not in the women need if you want to do it for business, come and do a business we are, and why I do business we are, then people will support you. And look at what you have been on where that's why if you're then we are managing like power for so many years now. Because they know what they are doing. All of them, they are admirals. Here in Dion Osagie, all stay America. Admiral, because from any opportunity, every another expert, the Obazee, or Mamian, so Obazee turned all of them down.
Yeah.
Also, so they are not getting what they need from the governor. Also, we are now. Go show more no war. Because we are
for we are
totally rubbish.
Yeah, don't pay, man.
A water project in Yala Makaragani, lucky, they don't pay 30 billion with water project to Julius Lubega, or someone long time later contracting. They know when you are checking very good in the Shomon they bought it today, they are by year. What did the Shomon well, I will not go to the history now, they know Shomon again, they will do nothing.
Thank you.
Because it's just coming back to come and be, we don't stay running for third tournament. For me, Obazee, even when I support Obazee fully, he was time because we mentioned he can support on non si come a little. Then the Dion Osagie guy, Umenwan Obazee. Anybody know that another to everybody in Nigeria when he was NPC chairman. Only Obazee. But Obazee can never be perfect. But we are the way the nature man. Ali Binayari Binan Obazee. Do you know that Oshomole has disrespected a lot of Edo people? Onye was disrespected because of it. Onye good here well, she men are not only the APC. Who will cause that American time show the forgetting matter about asset where Oshomole was over pompous on our wedding her. Today, Obazee, don't now if you don't know where come back or are the PDP. You understand? But in an beg all those things.
No, don't cost anybody. Don't cost anybody. If you want to talk, just talk straight. Don't cost anybody.
You understand? Okay, I can't. I will not get it, but I can't be. Any walk back and be where they need something. Anyway, a betrayal is not okay because of a greediness or you want taking power by force. But all those people, they just now for only their pocket.
Thank you.
They don't want the masses to grow up. They are just doing all their things because of their selfish interest. Power, they work, they do everywhere just be like as it be before. I don't suppose all group as this one.
God bless you.
Because they make it a barrel. You understand?
No,
yes, I know say
no worry. No barrel. Take it easy. Take it easy. I greet you. What's up?
Okay.
Alright. Let me play this man video finish. Mr.
Dion Osagie, a notorious charity scammer. Yes, he's into foundation fraud. That's what he does in Edo State. And it's a shame. For almost 8 years now, I have been the only voice checkmating this boy. The Ministry of Women Affairs, I have tackled them countless times to investigate the activities of this boy. But they were playing games, so that the boy will put them, who brag them. Till date, the guy is still using his fraudulent foundation to scam people. That's where he's making money that is using to gallivant around the world. This video,
the truth be say, waiting about the talking, what I know. When we bring our head down, when we check Dion Osagie lifestyle. If not for God sent foundation, we bring commands. Nobody knows Dion Osagie. Apart from you, well, the Kejirabo Waji, Dion Osagie that one. Nobody knows Dion Osagie. Now, when they bring this level of foundation, when they not use split beauty, when I wait to nobody to call, not last. Apart once I bring this level of foundation, when not put mates, foundation no man agbe is mate am the guy auto no mula no ya dey get do the when money go to way. When I ask Dion Osagie how many men for America, women for America, they support Dion Osagie Foundation. They support God sent error na Europe. I think when Iguale keep the carry Europe. They young believe your obo no ya support him. At the end of the day, Osagie might take abo wayeko about what you many diaspora estates. You understand? No Bobby cool. If you go look this guy, in no truth, you go here with that guy the talk because you know in hand one way they work with him. Then I will not come someone here. Also in that time where you come I didn't come. No use again name the no ya go there. Whether good or bad, you know the entire Dion Osagie body would do because that guy they exposed Dion Osagie atrocity. Oh yeah, Reggie. Who turn on Dion Osagie more call the Scrutiny Foundation. And then young boys cinema when not America man winner. Uno do life from one and we are me like go not a passport no one we are till you till the whole ya rally go the go bene. No see na newo o ye o na here le mo ye tege no why go kan mare uno ye bomo fa because how when ara le ikebezo na masugede idewebo. Uma go le Europe ave Versace soup ni ale Versace soup you are going to say goodbye. Ya le Dion Osagie your country your kan bude ona mo ha kwa. Ona so ha si ai. Okwo bia we na ona ye ta go we oni na amugo yo. E ba waye am I never part 1 or 2. Now why do asikedia because he do ne yata. Oti mare Edimofi so we Idahosa Oti Deku no ti enwe here deputy governor abo go ba yen wa squad association Idahosa le gbo ba yen yen ni grabbing and land the land grabber in Edo State here when I go ni anya do na get when I get ka Edimofi do awolagba bewu ne o yari wa yin o ha la na gbene ude aribo e what sana he can't want anywhere he can't want before anything else a problem he get deco where lesson of yasun na no agbagbe wo no aheri no akere tabu as a no one you understand ibude ni me na wo kan ye nu we ni zere we odionwa o hanwa ebe na kaya sagbo ere ya won sokmo you understand but you ever ye kuele dia ye bani hunda no ron asagi no lelewe hia no ma set line no ya yo ba egwa mo no ba den no when ya afie one bag of smith mo be gwa eri ni o ye ponti we ni ya ta no wo ni media. So when we went to where we do at one time, o den one time no mundia you den one time. We gele mundia you den one time at the buffet. O ti we pious na mi won ato o to ni wan dele boy. We went to we mundia o den one time. When I work we here do we so ni wa ari go no wan we gbe no so to ni ayo tun ijari. Ona we na mi we as far as one do to ni about when o to ni o no. Don't when we and so much cherish it on you. Oh, yeah, back with the one. In the way I can try to say, don't even ask you here. Don't even use to try this past. If you're away, and no, way Latina, where I give one, where I go over fancy no. You can only at all. Not an ordinary you go there. Who does that? The movie, I will ask you that question. Who does that? Udake wena sotegwa. Udake wena viebola wa. Duna mia ni ajiwere mudawe ayenenwa obowa ekmehu. Ebona yuwe ven we vioe mo begwani. Uga miemi no madari eduna no gba kwa. Uyu wen sifa. Usuma bonu ven egwani nge di mofi. O adawe ho duna amio. Una miemi no madari edo. Na emi no madari edo no de buye edo de. Una onu gba kwa no da ba tare. Nge si edo bo. Uyu wen mu yere uyu wen sifa. O tegwani no we ta. Una wi gbe, una ri amo na ri mo. Una ri ame, una ri mo. Edimofi nuwe dona. Bona ihina. Oh na ni na ve mani we ve boji. Na ya we mo gudu yi utegwe. We give dona. Udare nu ya fie bola wa he. Awi gbe atome, ikwebo gege ogbe trader. You understand? Ikwebo gege ogbe trader. We oge we hiyo. Atenu hi wanyado. O we roto on we na muye. Edi o look here. Mami me no buwe bona. Mo ogun we. Me weta go che bonu. Me weta go ogun we. Mo jewere aje. Me jewere do na mi amegbe. Do bo han gbe se bonu na mi amie e bonu ve o tegwa e gwa bono ba. Ni aje were nu make na dan o. E kinu ri do na kinu gbe na. O ya yoko. No kie we gbe mda wo dereba. Ima wona to e contest election. I don't ever been up back the way. And election way. Whether you like it or not. Wow, no win. You understand? Wow, no win. But my hair bought where I walk. I haven't seen that. Master, I'm here see Obama, I see. Even my ye, even I was down look and dog neck. Udana. And the man feel with Idahosa. No, yes, social media president Yarova. President never location. And that we all. Ofina. Umenwan Albert Obazee. Ti do sagawe, o mado sagawe. Ti do jeweri. O dem wanta. Because well dem wanta we mujayi. O dem wanta. Me make na me wanta. Be do. O dem wanta we mujayi ni. O get down. I know. O gonna ya press here do. I'm gonna grab people's land. I'm going to buy. A lot of communities are like that in those states. Need to turn your tema that very soon will be exposed to them. Yes, I have one hour. I don't know we are Okagele. They say no to Okagele. Or a pious we on your Okagele Ubo. No grabbing land grabber of Ubo. The land grabber of Ugbo. If you go, Ugbo Chema, Wahuma, a pious Idahosa, or we are telling you, now you want to bring Ugbo to social media. You guys are sitting down. You kept quiet. My drag Wahala Matana. Because Wayaru way. Iramov, Yamela. Yes. Eramovu iya mela okwedo asunu boli bana. Ale chairman oreba ano. Akpolu Wayala sagana. O se na yiri ege no wana. No wa kuma fi na oyozo. Me mie do ligi, me mie do ria. You understand? It's very, very important. Very, very important. O tsari redo. Wa kene ya fo ya velejipi. No company in Edo State. Now where a community chairman or where company not go, Otono here, I get a million. You may only hear your take on it all. Only usually is another story of another day. Otono and asking 400 million. 400 million community. A community, a primary school is not functioning. Odero, if you no revenue, no actually boat of Capena Pero. Or you never get the Murphy. The Murphy, no with Idahosa, total. Yeah, every time you broadcast, yeah, jewelry. Jewelry. Umahe, or no where, Umahe no where. We no wow, you were. Yeah, what work getting on who that were a music back band of years on a quenny now you be. You understand? No man like one are you haul on your way we. But sit down total. Oh, hang I be right way no channel. Who total our cow? What damn it, however, the corner. How about the Murphy total no damn it? You understand? Now, at the moment total no mukbam where white down heavy to for them. Umukbam where they have any time I there. Uri yem when or way a nonsense in a row for. Because in every nonsense, there's always a sense. Pick the sense inside and make use of it and throw away the nonsense. And no gear we no not two ways we are where politics is deco no like deputy. And no game with picture like the like Mongolia. Ra and no gear see the picture of a profile then all river. We support her a deco. And no gay lads and there were vote Dennis Deco Idahosa. Ra, when ye boy were, ah, when our boy, ra, when Anita Chamba for Ogi were, ra, when me answer, I very right. Or then or the someone of Bodos, when only were it be ra, when no you had to be a girl Sweden, when no were there, or Lakoko, and no gay were there. Iyo bawo he ni no game me obuwe Eddie Murphy where ye ni bizu gbe there no your tun we go there and night social media iyo bawo he we go where ye ne Enogie where ye no la go there no your tun we go social media iyo bawo where ye ne Enogie where ye boy there no your tun we go social media iyo bawo where ye Enogie where ye na o ho bo ohulala where ye ni adia imen no water di Murphy unda we ama bia we to dem do we na kon menu ne ma kon e go e tete wonu because when we are behave baba we come say we but e tete wonu o they eat they try to describe when you come we are high you understand because the highest the rate of the velocity of your stupidity is too high. They wonder what they get where Baba, they can hear them or they can hear the total so we are no tell one time and one time we turn even we are and what to be the one time. Who were a no sooner or mona or what one down where we were when they ran. I took God love a party Murphy, but I took God love you. And I move when I move your hook and I move here, it's necessary restaurant, but I don't really come away. When we did that say, we now know who were. O solo gba wa miss call solo gba na flag solo gba wa miss call when wa zo se obi Idahosa o ma o na ya we o wo kakere ya ti amu ozuo ekwe nonu ekwe no yo tan alu mo it's a shameful and embarrassing do ma mi o no tema tama we when ma we wa guina ya wa ti wa vale wa tani we ho no wa bin give you we the man he said to ne ya we do apologize egui Pegume kate wata ma wene Murphy. Who come be? I cover your bros. You understand? I teach you born well, boss. A character where we know you're high. He ain't here describe it way you are too wise, but you are too foolish. Boy at time, but I teach you born well. I take care as a ball. Take a sense in the way and come on now. Enogie, are you where who are you when it because of me I was married. But on my one day, come on, Baba, when my here now. When my wife driving here, we want to know. Let me do a video. Go and vote Dennis Deco Idahosa. All my lovers, if you know you love me, vote Dennis Deco Idahosa. On my way, no one did. Because now, on my way, we want it. And what time in your money and come out, I will tell you. I will tell you. You understand? And you want to concern your then I want to know why you concern him. Oh, therefore, you want to, oh, yeah, I'm where. Oh, we be a guy, you get this better. Who got here, you had a word, Jenny. A bene, when of him to here, when winner, no, when here, and winner, no mona or digging, namona or digging, or digging, more squad association. Iyore. Iyore. Baba, go, it's your born well, when you are you are a senior man, I respect you. You understand? You are a bros, and I give you that respect as a senior man. No calling. Or you may have for the now, the man anybody contribute to you. You understand? Then the level to keep platform go Rui Pa. You understand? Man anybody go Rui Pa. I just want to talk to my father straight the way he is. Who that way? Oma kama wa osema kama wa gunu wa bia. Okay, on ya bioma. Gunu go the mo fi gon. I go mo gon table back. As a man, he has your time you go wa a life do na me time wa. We are left. Me now you are new ozo. All your life you and clear my grace. It's stress. I'm not there for with the play. You gonna do bad thing. I go to clap and follow you. I am not your friend. If I am your friend, when you are doing it wrong, I will say it the way it is. I'm not there for back here. I tell you what the I boom. Tell what's your pressure. Tell what's the see finish. I don't get time every time. You don't feel me so. I want to kill Enogie. Baba, use brain. Use your canopy. That number 6 way door so honor. If the light off, untouchable lights. You get brain spark. You make it now. You make it now. You not get the mudia. You don't want to know. You make it now. You don't want to know. Hey, you when I was raw. I bet on near to the web what they were. I go on a question. Maybe you have an answer now. A question of Thomas. Just put that white. Swallow water, drink water, or do mineral. I have to wait for it. No, it's not a saga. Brush saga. Absorb the pain. One song. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Yeah, why are you commenting now? Why are you getting in the comment section? Why are you people not laughing? I'm trying to cool a man down here. Try to educate this man so that he will sit down and understand what to do. Until you know guys small boy, you are now an old man. A first in me ask Sanya, a demon for West Summer. The first coming go jump now, Baba, you don't go jump on. You know so. So when they say you know they use your brain again, maybe the sense when you get now old school sense, Baba they say what they use now the latest sense, now smart sense now they use now. Not be everybody use smartphone. You understand? You know they use 33 times they do live video. Now smartphone and Android phone that you do live video. So get Android phone brain. Be very, very smart. Not that you're bought in the seas. Baba, you're bought in the seas for this same game. For this industry with this one. You're bought in the seas. You know the reason like an elderly man. I tell you about the Brussels. How it costs you. Now the truth about your life, I tell you so. Or see your mom, in the time when you're supposed to be paying me for it. Because I tell you the range for the fuck up. Who you are who you are boy. No matter what I know. Who you are go thinker. Not be joke. I don't want to call side between you and you will not be fine because you more. Yes, my however, you know, give more your adult, you know, all the 2 hours to us. I know who I want me way who will in one. You understand? Remember to them wow. If you do that kind of thing, it will be like you don't really get sense, but not do one. Just sit down, pick sense from every nonsense you want to talk. We are loaded, not going to make it my way. That me web on the answer the web way or no way. If there's no that one, we are sending any. That way, not one kind. Now you go. Now make I send with him because we know when I know about don't be like don't be words to don't be joke because a month about when I see because go watch your past videos. Then you can watch your new video. Now the way they do things now, you know the jam again, you know the jam. And they say you know the jam at all. You know they come for life, you come for life. You don't even enter track again. But if you be trained, you don't crash. If you be trained, you don't come for train track, you don't crash. So Lahore. Use your brain. So settle down and use your brain. On our before. On the way by the Murphy. Now, I will head the Murphy and me look big total. Understand? Total. When my work and my wonderful was settled. According to you, my wonderful was settled and my who was settled. But you can't see a born way as a power wife. man as son, I still give you that respect as a power, and I will still give you that respect because you are not zero, no man, no as a honest and sincere man that I am, I will give you that respect as a power wife. Married, it's okay, but for age, it's there. Maybe you have to work what take care what but honor you go work. Definitely so. Yeah, but you have to know it's okay. When na that fool will na we like it. When na wa pull that fool will na or that when wa he never ukana we like it, it's okay. Because we all the Murphy. When the Murphy whatever you na le boka one way when it's okay. One way and the Murphy at all or wo or bo we okay or she. When the Murphy over here no na here over na we like it. When my anyway I'm here the Murphy will not fall in love with her. Again, the Murphy has you with me. No, we not like it, but we not love it. Yes, I do. So when something is total, it's okay. No, we need with them planning evil from your heart. And what I'm going to tell you might not like what I will say, but pick sense from everything I'm going to tell you today. Because if you are my sister, the same way I will still talk to you. You understand? The same way I will talk to you because a ram of you are the predicament of a demon. You are the problem of a demon. So can you do well? They sort of sit down, they reason. Here one equal what we might go away, you know, okay, maybe now. You go see the talk sometimes when I go spark. But see, I don't hear you. Or is it I don't hear? If we hear you, we are alive. You understand? Now one down you. But inside they so try to bring out some good advice. They enter a head. They put up a head. If I'm to watch them, not only if I ever say, from the water was almost so, or whatever, no, I don't see, or whatever, I don't see, or whatever, we look bay, or woman don't suck that from it, woman don't suck, hey, what don't suck that, hey, what don't suck that. Pagli, what are them? Amazon, Oh, your body. Oh, my soul. I love you. What's all? Sano bois. Et par here, on take bouton. So, que contraire, we are la life automatically. And we not buy. It's reality, not be joke. It's not going to look us now. It's the funny, but not the reality. You understand? Which I know it's okay. It's okay. Now, it's all about you. I go that from one. Udele want to know soon. Why can they want you? You all know the truth, including you. Is okay. Do not get out. You call your husband to order. You talk to his wife to leave that land. To leave that land for peace to reign. Because you know why? That land dispute will cause a lot of damages for Deco political career. You know, we know. I want to show you that now. Or in social media, he was again. You understand? And after that I've done, a boy near land in is still going to cause a lot of damages to Deco life. You know why? A Deco I use a brain now, call that boy to order, settle with that boy peacefully, and a boy now to the media presenters. Very me here most of them now. I will still come here to straighten everything and let you all know I'm happy with the boy. Congratulate you. I have a near with Deco make a peace in the glory will still go back to Deco. The glory will go back to Deco. But if the peace is being made elsewhere, it will bring shame and disgrace to Deco political career. Do my own on any time, like you don't know. You don't want the support. You understand? I don't get any party where the support. I stand for the way of the truth. Can you want to hear? Especially my supporter, the people I support are the masses. I'm the voice of the people. So I cannot belong to this party and be eating on this party. No. Because the both party are my people. I support the both party. I can come out and tell you, give me the Deco of ya, give me no man of ya. I can come and say, give me a basket you, Bedo. You can almost give me Pali. You can put on basket guitar. Give company on the building on the face. I can measure it. It's my government. Whether you work, you don't work, Now my governor. Now your governor. You understand? I cannot be a politician to say because I want to bring in Obaseki, I want to remove Obaseki, and they bring in Dennis Okpewuru. I'll call Obaseki a bad person. Obaseki no war. It means I'm stupid. Yes. It means what? I am what? Stupid. I don't know what they talk. Those who Obaseki really benefit from balance, they will look like Mugu. I will become their enemy. I don't do things like that. I say the way it is. Very plain. Obaseki working on here. Bye bye. Where are they going to go with back? Let us bring the next person that will also be better than Obaseki. That's what we pray for. Person that will be better than Obaseki. So, Otume de Lakbonia, wa Billy, wa oppress someone, wa your telephone, wa your telephone, ya buy ya commissioner already. Wa ya oppress someone, or I want Lakbone, Manage Yali. Benin are watching you guys, and will keep raising this motion on a do people. If this mistake is made, we all are still here. When it's still backfire, if not finally a mesh putting this guy there, there is the answer. Whatever comes out of it, we are here to see it. We are here to witness the pains and agony. It's just the way it is. That's how you know me. If me do I talk to I just do my drink. And that COVID book me ora wa lakbo. Wani bo wa ye do wa ya agun. Oh yes. Muno ga we here and pack out of Benin and go and rent house. Or you go and just relocate from Benin, come buy a house from Benin abroad. Who want to get your phone? On my lakbo nya, on your swan, ogbiye de kwekude. Or one lakbo. Me on where I go with a nyangwa. I know girl. When I want to go destroy. Who will you know who went both of those? If possible, you wait for say you are moving. You go there and be here. Then why I go for non sick? Me moto. Understand? You guys why you go down? Oh, have that one. I go up one go. When I'm matter na ya go. E ma so na dey come there. E give what I say ke baba ye. That one a story for another day. I come for those. I will come address those issues for another day. Because now two monarchs now will get two powerful, now two great power now will get for that Benin. The monarch and the politics aspects, the governments. You understand? The corruption in governments will be iron it, and the will iron the monarch outside of it. It's very important. Because any of the movie they respect I know all these things. Or see respect. The palace, you get the movie. Oh, let's go and take rubbish. What about rubbish? About that day, he said, and you really value our palace. You go see waiting good for Benin. You go burn. You go burn. Look here. Don't be deceiving people. Because if you have the Maozo, we know what they saw. Get ready. Oh, you're not going to fly. When you get the move over hand, okay, the mafia go, then international way. Keep the sense aside, make use of it, and leave the nonsense. Now, all the coming and me, I've been an enemy. I don't care. I can never be your friend. The only way I will be your friend is when you are honest and sincere. Baba, I don't get issue. If you don't honest and sincere, I don't get issue with you. We'll be friends. We'll be believing. But if you decide to be perpetrating evil, you become an enemy. You're not going to pour out for your body. So you'll be shala. Now let's go to Ewi board. You understand? Let's come to Ewi territory. Ewi is so shameful and embarrassing. Maybe you are fully army. I'll give you a piece of advice. As my boy that you are, let's pass where to ye target Imaneli. We are still social media colleagues in the industry. Not someone who deal, but I will still continue advising you as my junior boy. Enogie, you see what happened since yesterday. Olakpa Benwude or iyore right. You understand? Didn't matter unwa see. Our hospital now has head. In your hospital, or go see you. You might want at all. Understand? In your go see you. I don't know how truth is it. Because they really mean yes. boldly when you evidence of it where yes or believe low wish me be. But Anna give me who handle who see me be. I pity that woman. You see, yes, the night when I stand with that woman because why? I know what that woman is passing through in the hands of this animal. Okbiya no boku, okbiya no ma we woku no gogorowa, oyebe na go no bue enemy rowa, eri rowa. Yes, many women are passing through these things in abroad. And that was why I did a message to some men in Europe. Men who doesn't love their wife, but they pretend to love the wife because of the benefit, because of documents. So if you live with a man who don't love you, and see, you are in big problem. Automatically you are living with your enemy. And they pity many of our women. The kind of relationship where they find themselves abroad. All we have to me, if we are not well, no be now the way. It causes depression in the life of those women. Enogie, uma we mo na, wa si kan there because of walebe. We marriage a month and 2 weeks. Una cancel marriage now we go marriage. Now uma we won because they be married. Now you will not get one. You got go and go with this guy when number one anyway. I'll not be your enemy to tell you the truth, and I'll be your friend to be deceiving myself. When you may years and years and I tell what I know. As in a big winning, then go cover up in one that's the problem. You go cover up, you want to kill it, well, I will be straight. You see your life. And I mere way a social media is not educating you on how to take responsibility as a man. Social media now is not the one telling you should bring your children out on this summer, let them have fun, go and play with your children as a father. Yeah, you wait, you're as a parent, those as people. Also, what they by courts. Ekelina na muyala geli yengwe tu geli zuwa. Wena ba utedo no ba yi lezeli bia. Una getbo. Be wo tubu. Una la mo to ari bijo. Una ke bijo la mo to ari Abuja Kanu. Una ke Kanu ari Niger Republic. Una ke Niger Republic. Una la Agades. Una le desert. Una la Agades. From Agades you enter Sabah. From Sabah you enter Brak. From Brak you enter Tripoli. Una like Tripoli. From Tripoli, maybe you go to Suprata. From Suprata, una like Tali. Solomon guide you, protect you all true. Una land Italy. And we are living in Monticatini. From Monticatini, basically like Jenny. Solomon bless you where are they? We say we boni. Solomon do you won way. Honor you who, honor you. Umazigo yowo. Uma pay bride price. Oguna bielo mene wana. Beautiful guest. Honor you no. Eho we mighty we ho we you talk. No gele we mo kuna sayo. No yo kuna ya na kiodu. No yo kuna ya hiyo. No yo kuna hangogo. Young other people like you who are also coming up, trying to get married, look at you and love to engage themselves in getting married to young men. But instead, you make this woman regret of having a shoe for you. You make this woman look like a laughing stock on social media. A lot of insult upon injury on the life of this woman and the family. Not just only this woman, know, the family, the mother. And inside there, the mother and the family, the siblings are being humiliated on social media. This woman does still have that joy from you. Eh, what I be like me social media now? Uyi gyodu ne wowa, uya gogo. Ogona ni vieva, ona ye saga ya bie. Ina saga woman na demo to wowa. Ona ti have last night. He was watching me on YouTube. You have your bonnet with you. But I'm giver. For the atrocity she did. You know, she allowed us to. They have your money at the premature. Now today, a book already on him. Who ye ya go, who ye read the ordinary, who you who do you know Zanzan media? Or one will pay brand price your own on a girlfriend. Or one will pay brand price your own. Where do you know go media? Then I go away, I go. Uno don't have man who here also night bookman or night back on your or the back on your brother back on your or here. Siet atatan. I see tantan. Una we no see a man la who here. Bet you la the side chick. Una ya back on your sack in Salaladia in your battle on fire we are on the Laladia. Oh, we will move back on you. Now back on your side chick. After all this set and done, uvebo vei, uneru gualebewebo, una yebe ya vembo de gwe, ugawo yebe gwe uma. Na tie bon your way, e you do gualebewebo na uyo. Linda Keji blog, Linda Keji, ona ya mwe, a shame and disgrace way. In the old world, the dead is shame and disgrace way. 2 months and 2 weeks marriage, got divorced. Owners one girl advance. You be investor in Enogie. Now your lodge you will take for 2 days. Only just 2 days. You gonna for 75 euro bed and breakfast. Bed and breakfast in the lodge, you know. Where he pay 2 days. Open a zamo. Una ya tia di mof no la no ya go in your me peace making now making a deal. Now guess what? No ya so 1 year okuna mayeme peace of mind. I went to so one now where let me cease fire. Let me give this woman joy. Let this woman have rest of mind. Let my kids be happy. Let my home be calm. When I bave area deji, ewa yegwe egi ayeba, erida toyeda, ara hoiwo oyeria. Ime hone awu wi lawo de nya we owo ha we ro we owo si ebi. Wo isi na yo egbe. We kori o masoto. Ahon message to pupu yekereja, message to pupu yekereja, message to sa mesereja, message to sa mesereja. Ole ha. Aha gbo sa mese e mo ne mo se so boya we ai via la dia a gbian bai. You see this life? Who they call for this one? We're not that one. Hello, my beautiful daughter. Off we go. Kwato.
See the way they do talk, see the way they don't like say no be grandma. If you not the one to enjoy himself, now you say they put water for blood so that may go enjoy himself for outside for 2 days. You never notice a good thing. If you not get one to another, if you want chop pussy, say lobolobo shop, don't tire. Go put serious water where go tell la where go stay outside for 2 to 3 days. And that you become
Maybe Gamma, me not do like that.
I don't know, but
My own say if you want shop at the shop. Now when we want to shop, now go play with my wife first. You not go know.
that is the play true. They look at that enjoy that day for 2 days. You know, if them say that 2 days, woman not for that, they don't enjoy, don't satisfy. Money don't finish. I mean, you go meet and this and me going back. Or for the moment, no, I'm not use wisdom now. We know how they play, we know how they rule. As for the other one with this, I know it's sort of deal. I know why it's sort of. But that time when you tell the talk, where I took your donor about your banner now. Who's here for that? I took your donor.
And the movie around and watch about them. And the movie is my father. And the movie is my father. I cannot insult my father. I did correct him.
You know it's not
I was trying to correct him. Oh, child. This my daughter a very bad girl. I was just trying to correct the father. As a good son that I am, if I see what my father does not correct, it's my duty to correct my father. Because down here, we correct ourselves, will not be the one to do for backyard. You understand? Not because they talk for backyard at the end of the day now, you can one thing now. So, hey, we my boy. Hey, we my boy. I will still keep on giving you advice. Mother, something now. Off with me. But I'm a go equal. What may I go dig? You understand? Advice in your arena. Go and make peace in your house. Go and settle your home. You are already peaceful. You understand? With this. Hello? Hello? Good evening, ma'am. I did live video. I never sleep. I did sleep for abroad. No. Voila. The only way you see man sleep for blood, you know see don't knock. Now when man don't knock, then they sleep. Because if you knock, you go weak. You will sleep. When you never know my way, I go you here down there. Oh, you not the for. Hey, we my boy. Do me. Oh, honey, yari go ne. Oh, I gave you no snudana. Ihe ni bieka die no salo wakio dena wijo bona inya fili yakwa ni atie nuwe o worry we o aya yin bieka ni e doro timi ihe ni doro timi gbe iwo hun ni no via wigele imi ya tie nuwe ihe ni worry we donu ewi wa awe video ya yin doro timi who a video who can man on you but we call you man negwi uma we ri ye ihe ne doro ti mi tie nwe o worry we obi a mi here ihe no gbe iwo hun o worry we go and apologize to doro ti me. When you do that I will nyanga na o isi you understand unda era won iya me lao azen tuna son omo wo wera azen no tuna son gbomo ebi gege di doyi ibe born when ibe ya vashi no as my son wa me nwa we gwe nwa. Those who have ears let them hear. Those who have ears let them hear. All in our bolofwa okay o we the enogie of a we. Now to we are done with that Deco Dennis Idahosa, the land grabber of APC. Koyo dododo off webe the yaro yo. Then anyway are you kuba. Instead of coming out on social media to tell you vote Deco Dennis Idahosa, but it's not, you are not decoding aka the land grabbers of APC, the oppressor, the thugs of APC. Imagine why vote in here, but in your party, you have one heman why vote na. One APC where I voted Deco. A Deco waiting on the army and you wow. Waga sobumeri, Obubaga buwa. One of voted a Deco Etion was near was one do die dona APC. One of voting young the those states. Why I see voting young, but what I voting young there, you wow, a canable man senua, you wow, one so I did platform memoir. Oh, Gulor oh, Gwenfa your Agua. APC got me and you wow, one so I did platform there. This one has still good on one. I came in was one vote. Come on, all he vote in APC. APC na me here you are. On us one did platform now. Oh, Gwenfa your bear. Oh, Gwenfa your young woman. Anybody no vote APC. On us one did platform there. Oh, Gwenfa your young bear. You understand? Anybody unless APC as one you see. Ina iwa kuwa mutorere ni amuna. Ni amuni dibo. PC waro. APC waro. Kwa dare nya ama efiekpa anyegbiwe. On the deco ya wina for 8 years. Ogun agbana. Owo deco mani shishi ni. Deco is a use and dump. Deco is a use and dump. And when they saw a live video, vote Deco then stuff, ya don't body yamawa. Que prestelesi. Prestelesi no work basha, we hold on. At the end of the day, I'm not we have people. Online heroic belliku. Online mama dancer of Europe. Sister Apollo, brother don't follow away. Sister Apollo, brother don't follow away. Deco la follow away. Deco don't follow away. Here I feel in polo, abowolo. Yale wa you are there. I come in peace. I don't hear about anybody. I don't hear about no one. I come in peace. So. Oh, where it be like say you did meet and they miss a very you don't know. They like video. They get a salary. Hey, that's it. But and they miss a very you. Why you don't? Why don't you talk like this? They also like the use of more yes. Yeah, you go so anybody know when you must go to more then. Oh, go refer you must go one. Anybody with it. We want to for me now. If you go kill anybody wants to for me, or go for your young boy, or go for your young cow and the water. One or go for your young. So, as I was saying, please, Mr. Deco Delicida, I come in peace. For peace to reign, and we'll be of ya. We'll be of ya with you. We of your money. So, Moa of ya. Ni think how down my own man of ya. No, I will no man banner support you where I don't do that. I can't say because you're my brother from the same of ya. You're gonna do bad thing, I'm gonna clap for you. Oh, Baba, I'm not trying. You know why? That same of ya will come for you. You don't feed me. You not they feed me, not your family, but they feed me. I don't feed you. Every answer with the kettle, every boki with the dagger. But let that you know, now those state now for everybody. If you did fuck up, we go around your matter for this social media with this so. You walk with your matter. Don't play. Now press a crack comment. Ogbela, me na ogbolo. Now crack comment say you use one, you dump am. You can't dump him from Ovia. We know say that a pass for cup. Yes, assassin on your Ovia. Many in fuck up. But inside there so, we'll tell you talk and the way be straight. Me I play show me the talk. When I hear tomorrow, show me the interview. Hello, we are hearing you loud and clear. Fire down. Good evening, sir. Stop.
Why is it most Benin people, most especially the Benin in the diaspora, why we say most of them like oppression? And these people, when they come abroad, come lie, talk about say now oppression drive them come over for Nigeria. And the issue of here now that same oppression, they use their platform to support. Why it be like that?
I'm from Hussein. I don't know why I be like that too. I don't know why I be like that.
You understand? They're not coming to someone for you, come lie. Say now oppression just them look for Nigeria. And that same oppression they support. What's wrong with these people? Why they go see keep them with the penna? That's why you see that those state thing. Nothing would be come for that state. Not until we change our mindset. Oh, somebody else, all those Obazee, I know the problem is the problem, not the youth, not the youth with the problem.
Yes, you are right. The youth.
Obazee, or somebody not be the problem. Not the good they vote me. Okay, tell me what somebody they do for that state. Don't grant youth who is supposed to go enter our office, become governor, commissioner, and they clap on the follow old man. It's a chair.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. What all? Let's play Shobule, what's it called? The interview Shobule. Shobaba, show go, show gweg, show go, show go, show walla, show get. Hey, swing to the shot.
Right now, he fraudulently, according to the Federal High Court, manipulated and disobeyed the Constitution of the PDP. He violated the Electoral Law and the Electoral Act, and that he said the primary that producing was done in clear breach of the law and Constitution. So as we speak, he's not the candidate. No. Godalo is not electable. Right now, he fraudulently, according to the Federal High Court, manipulated and disobeyed the Constitution of the PDP. He violated the Electoral Law and the Electoral Act, and that the primary that producing was done in clear breach of the law and Constitution. So as we speak, he's not the candidate. No, Godalo is not electable. Right now, he fraudulently, according to the...
This one too short. No, this one I play today. The one I play long. And voilà. Only water. That one says, you got benin. They come with a questioner. He call it a Jones. Or show call the Jones. But waiting all this one gain for all this their yama things, what did they do? All these politicians, it's a very boom. Where all this video for the this one had long?
State. Now, Monday Okpebholo, who is the candidate of the APC in this election, is now being supported by Philip Shaibu. We saw Philip Shaibu joining the APC and bowing down before you. Now, how comfortable is that for you? And then secondly, the allegation that you also seem to have subtle sympathy for Asueli Godalo, the candidate of the PDP. What's your comment on Edo State politics? Let's President Tinubu, we will worry about his own issues. Yes, Edo State.
Edo politics.
He can't talk.
Asueli Godalo is not electable.
Yeah.
Right now, he fraudulently, according to the Federal High Court, manipulated and disobeyed the Constitution of the PDP. He violated the Electoral Law and the Electoral Act.
Okay.
And that the primary that producing was done in clear breach of the law and Constitution. So as we speak, he's not the candidate. Number two, Asueli Godalo cannot even speak the language of people of Ewohimi, where my late wife come from. Asueli Godalo is not electable. Nigeria don't want double-breasted consultant transaction expert with one hand in the pocket. They have never been identified. He said he was chairman of Alagodaro. What was the achievement of Alagodaro? Other than spending billions of naira in consultancy. He is not electable. He does not understand the people. He doesn't know Edo State. He can't speak the language of his own village. Even the day he went to announce himself, he carried an interpreter to speak to his own villagers. When he finished, he went to Benin. He didn't sleep in his village because local people in his view are all witches and wizards, typical of some segment of the elite. A man like that can't govern. How can my dear friend Ruben, you know I can never sit on the fence. Asueli is not electable. I cannot support him to do what? Asueli is a worse version. All the people say they are technocrat. Let them remain in consultancy and do some transaction, whether they are lawful or unlawful. He managed a band that is in business with Edo State.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, this video is all about politics. So if you don't like the video, please help me thumbs up the video before you go. God bless you all. Bye bye.